So hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create customer by sales rank highest to load cell. Okay, so I have created a table visual and here we have customer name and sales amount here. So I already created the measures. I just show you this one. So first I give us user rank x function. So the first parameter is a table. So here we have used all functions. So all ranking is applied within the selected context, which means this one. And we have passed a sales amount to use the total sales for ranking. And third one is descending. So rank from highest to low, we have used descending function. And the fourth one is dance. So it's assign the consecutive rank instead of skipping numbers. So I just use this thing here. So you can see 1 2 3 4 number the customer by the highest to lowest sales we have find the rank. Thank you for watching.